You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y equals 15/4. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 3/4 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. And so the final result is y equals 15/4.